Now, if they were to ask me what do you want to be in your next life, I would want to become everything and anything except a brother to any of these two. Katrina for obvious reasons. But of course...
Why do you not want to be a brother to Imran?
Because he'll run away with the bride, in any case.
Acha, you're right. That was actually a good one. This is actually the most clever way of putting it I've heard.
This is actually a clever
Me,
way
I've understood why you don't want to be so sweet. You, I wouldn't have understood. You're going to run away from
I got it. I'm sharp that way. I picked it up.
Acha.
He picked it up and that's the reason. Is that the reason why Ali Zafar is not here?
No, Ali Bechara is caught up with some work in Pakistan, as I understand it.
He's shooting in London for a film.
Oh, he's in London.
Yeah, he's shooting in London for a film. So I think he's joining us on the 23rd.
23rd, okay.
Okay, so new pairing. Are you guys excited?
Nah.
No, not really.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, but you look excited.
Well, you know we're good actors.
Yeah.
So
Should we try that again? Wait, ask that again. Hold on. Ask that again.
I'll ask the question again. Huh?
Yeah, please, okay.
So new pairing, are you guys excited?
Yeah, he was amazing. I've been dying to work with him. I mean, I've seen his work and it was just like we were so excited. You really should not actually be doing that, no?
Oh my God.
Clearly this was your fault.
And that's what happens when you fake excitement for working with me.
Yeah.
Are you excited to work with me?
Okay, let me do it for like...
What does that remind me of?
I don't know, but
God, someone's got to control him, huh?
yeah, you have to. So, okay, so that this accident doesn't happen again, I'll say a little prayer. Bhagwan, inki riksha karna. Abhi kuch nahi hoga. Okay. So today was a music launch, but we'll talk about your previous films. Delhi Belly, did you watch Delhi Belly, and did you watch Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara?
Yes, in fact, I would very much like to tell you about how that happened. Imran very sweetly invited me to a trial of Delhi Belly, for which I very sweetly came, because I like to sweetly support my co-stars. And then the film did well, and I enjoyed it, and I said, great film. And then we had a trial for Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, for which I sweetly invited Imran, in which he sweetly declined to come.
You didn't turn up, why?
No.
I forget why.
I'll tell you why, because she said no to the item number, I'm thinking.
That may have been it. But I actually saw the film. I like to watch films in... I actually like to watch films in theatre.
Correct.
I bought a ticket. I saw it first weekend, by the way.
Okay.
I bought a ticket, I went to the theatre, I watched, I enjoyed it. And the film was tremendously successful, so I think it worked out okay.
Your look in the film is suddenly like it's like a bindas thing, and we saw that happening in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara also, you riding the bike and all of that happening.
I think Zindagi was probably what you could say a much more slice of life kind of realistic film.
On the bike.
Are you making fun of my helmet?
I would never do that.
I hope not. So, I am very professional and I wear helmets because it's required. That's why I was wearing the helmet.
Yeah,
but as I said, it's a very slice of life kind of a film, real to life. I think this is much more of a kind of tongue-in-cheek.
This is more than tongue-in-cheek. This is finger in nose.
Okay, no finger in nose. Tell me, this one is Mere Brother Ki...
It has ruined him.
It has, hasn't it?
He's become such a badly behaved person.
Only Imran knows.
Admiration and regard for your co-stars.
But tell me, Mere
And now
Brother...
Katrina knows. Just tilt your head back a second.
Imran, you had better control yourself. Put your hands behind your pocket and stand up straight. Yeah, okay, come.
Catfight. Okay, not really. But Mere Brother Ki Dulhan and Short Term Shadi.
It is a cat fight, actually.
So how is...
If I'm fighting her,
Then it's catfight, actually. He doesn't answer any of my questions.
He's not, so you got to be direct and you got to get them in there. So what was the question?
The question was Mere Brother Ki Dulhan and Short Term Shadi.
Yeah.
How is it to work with Kareena and Katrina?
How is it?
It's just the best part of my job.
You need to compare it now.
It's the best part of my job, man. Look at where I get to go to work. I get to work with the most beautiful women in the country. It's perks of my business.
There you go. That's the answer.
But before I let you guys go, I mean, we saw the promos, very exciting, but you guys are also spoofing a lot of actors like Salman Khan, Amir Khan, even Shah Rukh Khan.
It is not a
A
spoof.
spoof is not a tribute.
This is a tribute, not a
No,
spoof.
but I think Imran was trying to do it seriously. You just thought it was funny, but he was actually
Really, I've
being
missed
serious.
something somewhere.
Yeah.
But what do you think about it?
Told you.
I was trying to pay tribute to them. If it's come off as a spoof, I better run and hide.
Yeah.
There are three guys I don't want to be on the bad side of.
So, but yeah, can you say that dialogue for us once again?
No, I can't. क्योंकि एक बार जो मैंने commitment कर दी. I always get that last part wrong. क्योंकि एक बार जो मैंने commitment कर दी, उसके बाद मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
Correct.
Okay, on that note, Katrina Kaif and Imran Khan, thank you so much for talking to us.
What are you doing?
I'm telling you not to mess up his ending.
Oh no, okay.
Well, you guys didn't do any of that. In Mumbai, Vikram Thapa for NDTV.
Try it again. One more time.